What is your English level? Let's find out. I will be asking 20 questions. Keep track of how many you answer correctly. And at the end of this video, you'll know your English level. The first 10 questions are beginner level. There are 3 sentences. Choose the one that uses English correctly within the stipulated time. Let's get started. Question 1. She don't know the answer. She doesn't know the answer. She isn't know the answer. In the simple present tense, we use doesn't with third-person singular such as he, she, it. Don't is used with I, you, we, and they. So the correct answer is she doesn't know the answer. Question 2. I am agree with you, I agree with you, I agrees with you. The verb agree does not need am or s with I. The correct form is simply I agree, so the correct answer is I agree with you. Question 3. We was late to school, we were late to school, we is late to school. With plural subjects like we, you, they, we use were in the past tense, not was, or, is. The answer is we were late to school. Question 4. He enjoy playing football, he enjoys playing football, he enjoying playing football. In the simple present tense, we add s to the verb when the subject is third-person singular. Answer is he enjoys playing football. Question 5. There is 2 apples on the table, there be 2 apples on the table. There are 2 apples on the table. We use are with plural nouns like 2 apples. Is only used with singular subjects, so the correct answer is there are 2 apples on the table. Question 6. She can sings very well, she can sing very well, she can sing very well. After modal verbs like can, must, should, the base form of the verb is used without s or I, n, g, so the right answer is she can sing very well. Question 7. They didn't went to the party. They didn't go to the party. They don't went to the party. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb go, not the past form went. The answer is they didn't go to the party. Question 8. The book is belonged to John. The book belonged to John. The book belongs to John. The correct present tense verb for singular subject book is belongs. Is belonged is incorrect. The correct answer is the book belongs to John. Question 9. She don't have a car. She doesn't has a car. She doesn't have a car. With doesn't, we use the base form of the verb have, not has. Answer is she doesn't have a car. Question 10. I am usually getting up early. I usually get up early. I usually gets up early. For habits and routines, we use the simple present tense get up, not continuous, getting or incorrect s with I. The correct answer is I usually get up early. Congratulations! You've completed the beginner level test. If you answered 6 or more questions correctly, it shows that you're improving your English skills. Now let's move to the advanced level. Question 1. She created a mistake in her homework. She did a mistake in her homework. She made a mistake in her homework. We use the collocation make a mistake, not do or create. In English, certain verbs naturally go with certain nouns, and make is the correct choice here. The answer is she made a mistake in her homework. Question 2. I'm going to take a photo of the sunset. I'm going to do a photo of the sunset. I'm going to make a photo of the sunset. The correct collocation is take a photo or take a picture. We don't say do a photo or make a photo in everyday English. So the correct answer is I'm going to take a photo of the sunset. Question 3. He told a joke to his friends. He said a joke to his friends. He speak a joke to his friends. The correct collocation is tell a joke. In English, we tell jokes, stories, or lies, not say, or speak them. The answer is he told a joke to his friends. Question 4. Please build your bed before you leave. Please make your bed before you leave. Please do your bed before you leave. The correct phrase is make your bed, meaning to tidy and arrange the sheets and blankets. We don't say, do your bed, in English. Question 5. She gave me some advice. She gave me an advice. She gave me advices. Advice is an uncountable noun in English, so we don't use an advice or advices. The correct form is some advice or a piece of advice. Question 6. Despite his calm appearance, his voice was filled with anxiety, generosity, curiosity. Anxiety means nervousness or worry, which fits with his voice was filled with. Generosity means willingness to give, and curiosity means desire to know something, so they don't fit here. The correct option is anxiety. Question 7. The scientist's discovery was groundbreaking, ordinary, obsolete. Groundbreaking means new, innovative, or revolutionary. Ordinary means common, and obsolete means outdated, so the correct word is groundbreaking. Question 8. The politician's speech was full of eloquence, negligence, arrogance. Eloquence means fluent, persuasive, or well-spoken, which fits a speech. Negligence means carelessness, and arrogance means excessive pride. Question 9. After walking for hours in the desert, they were indifferent, delighted, exhausted. Exhausted means very tired, which matches walking for hours. Delighted means very happy, and indifferent means not caring, so they don't fit. Question 10. The judge's decision was praised for being fair, reckless, biased. Fair means just and impartial, which is the quality expected of a judge. Reckless means careless, and biased means showing unfair preference. Well done. You've completed the advanced level English test. If you managed to answer most of the questions correctly, it proves that your English skills are sharp, confident, and ready for real-life communication. Keep challenging yourself. You're mastering English at a high level.